Okay, Larsonair out here. We got a system that's iced up. You can see the ice. This is actually ice. Big block all the way. And actually all the way into the compressor. So why that happens is usually there's a couple of different reasons, so I'll go through them. One is low refrigerant. If it's lower than 32 degrees, it'll ice up. Second would be the blower motor. That's the motor that pushes the air through the vents. That would it would ice up if it failed or it's not spinning, or dirty air filters. It's three options, three reasons.